Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram story not showing. To know how to fix Instagram story not showing, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps here, and when you will see this list you will go down to find the application of Instagram like this. Then in this page here you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage like this. And here in this page, you can click clear cache. And after that, you will click clear data. And then you can turn off your Wi-Fi like this here, so that you can know how to fix Instagram story not showing. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.